Hi, I'm Kedger on Two Wheels, and today we are here for something completely different. Not that, but this, the Honda CRF400s. This is bound to be a painful and expensive trip. Whoa, this is weird. Miséria fechada. This is a lot of fun, actually. Cinco voltas? Okay. Five laps of this. The bike moves around a bit. Quite a lot more than I expected. For those of you that don't follow the channel, I am a road guy. I've never done this, and this is the first really off-road machine I have ever ridden in my life. Oh, this is a lot of... No, that's a lot of power. Jesus, it's a four-stroke, but holy shoot. This is really hard at low revs. Third lap, I think. He did say 5 laps, so man, I am tired already. I haven't gone full throttle yet. This is pretty fucking pathetic because I have no idea what I'm doing. Jesus Christ, this is quite a machine. This is actually a lot of fun, even though I am very tired because I'm not in shape and I'm very tense. I think this is lap 5, so I'm going to stop here. Bye. Last lap. Yeah, last lap. Holy cow. This is something completely different. Now this time let's film a properly skilled rider to see the difference from even me. From actually not from even me, just from me, because I have no idea what I'm doing. There's a lot of stuff there that I can't do. Let's start by the wheelie, or the speeds, or the brake, or the braking there, or all the dust.